Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I'm on to part 2 now of my Craft Buddy Crystal Art unboxing. There was 2 of these size boxes and I thought rather than do it all at once and make it a really long video, I'll split it into 2 so you can watch over 2 little videos. So I've already opened this one and my address is on the front of the box, so that's why it's open as you've seen it. Yep, we've got one card. Oh, look at that, look at that. Couldn't resist. And then we have 2 of the brand new, what they call Frameables, which are little pictures, and aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Okay, let's get into these and have a look. So what shall we do first? What shall we do first? Let's do the little Highland cow first. Okay, so oops, just get into this, try and keep the packaging. Okay, this is how I got into diamond painting. If you've not watched any of my videos before, welcome, hello. And yeah, I've been a card maker for too many years, and yeah, Craft Buddy Crystal Art were the first cards that I saw that did like diamond paint. They've expanded more of their diamond painting range now. They do a lot of other art things as well, but it's mainly the diamond painting stuff that I like. But yeah, these cards, look at that little face. What can I say? Couldn't you just go up and give him a hug? Oh, he looks quite sad. But they're very proud, and I love Highland cows. Scotland is one of my favourite places in the world, so Highland cows are just something I love as well. They're blank cards. They're 18 centimetres by 18 centimetres, which is 7 inches by 7 inches. But really, they are a piece of mini artwork, and you could put this on your wall. They do sell frames, or you could buy your own frame. But I am considering actually doing a little like collage. No, not collage. What's the right word? Anyway, so a little design on my wall of a few of them, because I just love these pictures, and I've said before, I'm just so bad at giving away cards that I like. I want to keep them all, so to have them as pictures would be marvellous. And the packaging on these is just wonderful. If you buy them as the single cards, they come in these lovely like maroony, purpley, wine colour packaging. That's some of the new cards that have come out this year, and I've got the bee, and I have the koalas, and I have the unicorn. Can't remember if I've got the turtle or not, but I will eventually get them all. But yeah, at the moment I just wanted the Highland cow because I don't think I'm going to frame him. But if you're wanting to, as I say, to give them as presents to people, then these are brilliant, because you get all the instructions on the back, telling you how to diamond paint, everything there, and you get DMC codes with them now as well. And even their special gems, they give a letter or a number if there's any of your crystals or any of your special shapes gems. So you can put them all like with like if that's what you want to do, and keep all your gems afterwards. But somebody that's wanting a new hobby or just wanting to get into this, it's a marvellous idea. So yeah, so that's your Highland cow. You get a nice quality envelope as well, and it's not one of those that's see-through. Just a little tip, if you are sending these through the mail, then I always turn them inside out and put them into the envelope that way, and it just then protects the front of the card and stops, you know, if it gets a bit squished in the post, or if it's been squished through a letterbox, you're not taking any of your gems or drills off the front of your card. It is a bit odd receiving a card that's inside out, but I think people soon realise why when they open it out. So yeah, that's just a little tip that I always do when I'm sending cards that are a little bit thicker. Okay, nice little branded drill pen there with your single placer and your 3-placer on the end. I love that with the like foiled crystal art on there. I just think it looks really classy. And you get white boats now as well. There's usually about 20 of your little grip seal bags and your piece of wax, so more than enough to do this kit. And let's just have a quick look at the drills that go with this one. Looks like these are all, they are resin, they're not acrylic. Craft Buddy do the resin drills, which are just that little bit better quality. Wow, look at these colours. So we've got browns and peaches and more brown sort of coppery colours, and just your standard black there in the middle. And that Highland cow is going to have so many different colours on it. The depth on it is going to look superb. It will be so 3D. But yeah, that is amazing. Love that. So I'm pleased I got that one. I'll get rid of that plastic bag, and I'll pop him back there. Pop my toolkit over there, and we'll have a look at Llama next. And that is just so, it's like a rainbow llama. Again, the packaging is just wonderful. What you've got in your package tells you how to diamond paint, shows you your frame there and everything. Got your social media on the background as well. But yeah, if you're giving that to somebody as a gift, I mean, my granddaughter is only 7, but if I gave her that, she would be able to do this picture. And she's got something at the end of it as well. Yeah, let's get into it. I do like the new packaging. So they're called Frameables, which they are. Frameable. Ooh, that's nice. A nice salmony pink frame. All nicely packaged. Take it out of there. I always say with Craft Buddy products, you always feel like you're getting a gift because it's just so nicely packaged. Okay, that's your drills there. You've got your standard toolkit again with, so there's usually about 20 of the little grip seal bags. But yeah, that's that one. That's your little picture to diamond paint, which is really sweet. We'll have a closer look at that in a second. We've got, again, your contents there, just telling you it's frameable, and your social media on the bottom there. And then how to diamond paint in, I think there's usually about 4 different languages. So it gives you illustrations, and it also gives you the written explanation as well. I like pictures myself. I tend to learn better from a picture. We've got a little key code here, and your little inventory sheet, as it were. It's got how many colours. It's got 14, this one. You've got your DMC code and how many drills you've got. And then it shows you here that this is a partial, so it shows you the picture, and then it shows you the area that you're going to be putting the drills and gems onto. So I just think that is real professional looking, real classy. I like these. I am impressed with Craft Buddy. Okay, you've got a lovely little frame. Let's take this out of here. It's one of these nice quality frames. It's got like a beveled edge. I don't know if you can see that. It sort of curves around, so it's not just a flat edge, it's a nice curve. Just makes it that little bit more special. You've got a hardboard here. There's no cover, there's no perspex or glass on the front of these, so if you're putting it anywhere steamy or hot and steamy you would need to seal your painting to stop your drills from coming off, but just general use it will be fine. But what I like is these like pop frames, so you've not got those, you know, those little bits of metal that you have to get something under and prise them off. And I always end up breaking my nails or stabbing something with them. And it's got your little stand as well, so you can stand it up. And then when you've got your frame actually in place, you can put just a little hook or a nail and just hang it onto your wall if you prefer to hang rather than using your stand. And then once it's all diamond painted, you'll just pop your little picture into the frame. Yeah, they do need slightly trimming off. I don't know if you can see. They do leave like an edge on them, that just that white edge just needs trimming off, and then it will fit into the frame a bit better. But yeah, they just put it in and then pop your frame back on, and then they just push down and pop into the groove. I'm not going to sing into the groove. It's nice and sunny here. I don't want to make it rain. So yeah, so that will be a llama in a lovely pink frame. I think that just really makes him stand out. But again, you could put it, if you're gifting it to somebody else, so you've got a different colour scheme, you've got several different colours. I mean, even a lemon colour would give it a completely different look to this picture. So you've got different things that you can go on to there. Nice clear drill field. Sorry, there's no guide circles on there, so that's quite good. Sometimes if you get them, they can show through if you don't get your drill just quite in the right place. But look at that face, those lovely blue eyes and the little nose there. And then just some of the sky has got some gems on it as well. So let's have a look at the drills on this one. Okay. So we have a special, oh, look at that one. That's like a, they must be the gems in the sky. Yeah, are they N? Yeah, they're the N's. So 1, 2. Oh no, that's an M. Oh no, so we only need 2 and we've got 4, so that's good. But yeah, they've got like an iridescent coating on, like a similar to an AB coating, so they really sparkle. And then, ooh, we've got 3 different purpley lilac colours, 2 pinks, 3 blue colours, another pink, a lemony colour, a goldy colour, like a honey colour, and then just some little tiny iridescent clear ones at the end there, clear gems at the end. And again, they are resin, so they are the better quality. So lots of lovely colours in that one. I like that one. Okay, so that's Llama. Let's just put the bits back in the box so that I don't lose them. Okay, and then finally, oops, that's my little instruction sheet. Better put that back in my box as well. Keep that together. And then this one, I just look at that little face. He just looks so confused. He's like, oh, hello, what are you doing here? And he's a sea turtle. Again, wonderful box, really good packaging. They have got a little bit squished, but that's okay. These are just for me. Say just for me. Okay, and this one has a blue frame. I mean, you could swap them over. That blue would look nice with the llama. I'm not sure if the sea turtle would look nice with the pink, but you can mix them round. In the say Craft Buddy do sell frames as well. I'm not sure if the cards would fit in these frames. I don't know, they wouldn't, because it would be over the drills. Okay, so just a thought, just thinking while I'm looking at them. Right, so let's have a look in this packet and see what we get. I can see some lovely aqua colour gems there. We've got the same toolkit again with your bags and your pen, your boat and your wax. Put all those out of the way. Just put the gems on one side for now. Again, you've got your instruction sheet. Okay, telling you how to diamond paint. And we've got your little inventory sheet, your little key code, and again it's showing you your picture and showing you the part that you put the gems and everything on. DMC codes again, so that's great. Anything with a Y at the end is like their codes that they use for their special drills, for their gems, and I am keeping those separate so that I've got like a separate place, so that all the same type are all in the same place, if you see what I mean. Oh, look, I just love the colours on this one. This one has got quite a bit more to cut round. You do need to just cut the blue, cut that black edging off there so that it will go in your frame. But that little face, oh, it's just got like a little bit of a smile. He's definitely saying, oh, hello. I didn't expect to see you here. But yeah, again, the colours and the shading and everything on this are just wonderful. I won't take this frame out because it is just the same as the pink one. Again, just use springy things there. And again, it's just the hardboard back. And you can either seal your painting or just leave it as is. Oh, look at that little face. He's so cute. Okay, and let's look at these. So that's your 2 special gems, which I think are going to be the bubbles around him. So we've got a large faceted aqua, and then we've got a slightly smaller faceted aqua there, so that'll really make the picture pop with those. And then, wow, look at these colours. Oh my goodness me. The amount of colours and shading that Craft Buddy put into these pictures is just wonderful. So we've got purples and greeny colours and a darker bluey colour. All the different blues there, and some more lilacs and purples at the end. But yeah, that is a lot of colours for a little teeny tiny picture that's only a partial as well. But that's how you get your shading so that it looks really 3D and really pops. And I say, I'm in awe with Craft Buddy. I do love the way that they do their charting of their products. I think they come out really, really well. Okay, so let me just pop these back in this box. So we've had a look at 2 little pictures of a llama and a sea turtle, and then a beautiful Highland cow. Look at that. Wow. Nice little haul. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, if you can give me a thumbs up, it will be much appreciated. That's the little thing down here. And if you've got any questions, if you pop them in the comments down below, I'll answer them to the best of my ability. And if you want to come back and see these finished and see what I get up to next, if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come up. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.